Why are these multidisciplinary teams so critical to advancing care, moving it forward? But also, if you think about research, you think about education in cancer centers, why is this approach so important when you look at the multidisciplinary piece of this?
Well, all of these, what you described is what we call at times the three-legged stool of academic medicine or the tripartite mission, beyond caring for the patient, which should be at the center of everything. You're also training the next generation of providers in the current state-of-the-art care within their specialty. You are ensuring that discoveries are making their way from the bench to the bedside, as they say, in the form of clinical trials, in the form of new medical device innovations, new surgical techniques, et cetera. All of that is happening simultaneously. And if it's done well, it should feel seamless. If it's done well, it should feel like one complex activity as opposed to three distinct channels of activity. Advancing research and discovery to drive innovation, that's what we're here to do in a place like Fox Chase. We have within the building behind me on my background, that top floor of that building is all basic science laboratories.
Yeah.
The second floor of that building is all translational scientists trying to figure out how to get those discoveries to benefit patients. And the ground floor of that building is all patients receiving those new innovative therapies. It all happens, again, I use the word orchestration and harmonization a lot. It's all happening in a very orchestrated, tightly coordinated environment, but it has to be done in a very harmonized fashion so it doesn't feel fragmented and broken up to the patient.